Hi everyone and welcome to yet another Excel tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to create interactive progress charts. Progress charts like this just to monitor, track your work and your plan. Progress charts that updates automatically when you get your work done, like this, like I'm doing right now. It gives you an update, live update on the status of your tasks. So if you have tasks to complete, this helps you in time management, project management, another important task management. So today I'm going to teach you how to create this very interactive progress chart. And just in case you are just joining us, welcome. This is just a TikTok page where I teach you some wonderful Excel tricks and formulas to actually make your work easier and faster, and also to make you a professional Excel user. I sometimes teach very important Excel courses like pivot table, like you could see on my page, some functions and so on, and also sometimes I give some wonderful tips and tricks like this on how to make your work easier and faster with Excel. So right now, let's jump into it. Let me take all this off and start right from the beginning so that we understand what was done here. So now this is the data set that contains the tax name, the person this tax were assigned to, and the due date of this tax. And this is an empty column here that is for the status of the tax, if the tax is completed or if the tax isn't completed. So we want to create an interactive progress chart like I showed you earlier to actually be able to interactively manage our tax. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to highlight this row here, click on insert and insert checkbox. So after inserting this checkbox, just mind you could see here on my screen I have two data sets. I have the main data set which I'm working with, and I have the status data set which contains the completed and the pending based on the status of our tax. So after inserting these checkboxes, now you are going to write a formula on this completed to actually link this checkbox to your status data. So how do you do that? You put the formula equals to, start with count ifs, then count ifs, select this whole checkbox here and put there if that is true, then close that off, then divide it by count A and select these checkboxes again, close that and hit enter. That will automatically bring 0% there. Then after you've done that, you actually for the pending, you just do just say the pending, the formula here in the pending, sorry about that, the formula here should be equals to 1 minus completed status, which should give you 100. So in order to test to see if this is working, you can highlight this checkbox and click on space, and you see, yeah, this is working. We've actually been able to successfully connect the checkboxes to these are completed, our status data. So if you want to see the formula again, this is the formula. That is the formula you use there. Then this is the formula you use here, 1 minus this. That's the formula you use there. Then after you've done this, you just have to select this your status data set from the second row and go to insert and insert the donut chart. So remove all unnecessary things there, remove them, and let's make this donut chart look okay. Then double click on the completed section of this donut chart, right click on that, and fill it with let's fill it with a color like this. Let's fill it with what color should I use? Okay, let me use this. Okay, so now we are going to also double click on the pending side and fill it with let's actually see what is going on here. So you have to double click on this. What is going on? You need to get this done, like working on just one part. Yeah, double click on that part, then change the color to any color you want to use. Double click on this side, right click, and also change the color, fill it with any color. So these colors are good. Gray color like this for the pending, and any color you want to use. So here I decided to use the same color with my table heading just to make it look nice. So this is it. This is a donut chart. Then to add the text to the donut chart, you just have to click on it and just hold down these buttons, alternate N and X. Yeah, that should give you a checkbox. So in that checkbox, you can just write a text box. In that text box, you could just put down, maybe just write, let's say write down something, let's say 40%, anything you want to write, or just write a number there, let's say 40%, and try to center this to the checkbox, center it to the text box, center it. Yeah, it looks nice now. So now we need to connect this text box to this, so just put equals to, connect to this, and put to the completed section and click on OK. So that should connect this to the completed section there. Click on OK. So you can actually change this, center it. You can actually change the fonts, the size, anyhow you want to make it. Let's change the font color. Let's have this there, the font color. Just make it beautiful, design it in whichever way you want to. Then yeah, that should be working now. When you click on this, it should automatically update there. You see, it's as simple as this. It's so simple. So this is how to create an interactive chart to monitor your tax. So if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comment section. If you need help, you could actually chat me up privately and I'll be willing to help you. So thank you. Please like, share this video in order to support me to continue doing these helpful contents to help you, give you Excel tricks, and also teach you important and relevant Excel functions. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.